Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Rogers, a research professor in South Korea, currently working with the government institutions. So, today let's go check out what's new with Green Climate Fund, which is an international institution in South Korea. So, they are dealing with environmental issues, climate change, even right up to even have law issues, and all of that is very diverse. So let's check out on their career page for 2022 and see what jobs they do have to offer to internationals. So you go to a career page like we did already, and because of COVID, they will just be doing online interviews. You don't need to come to the site or the center in order to be interviewed for the job opportunities which they do have to offer. So at the job portal, we're gonna go through it. They have a very good website, view all the jobs which are available. So the first one here, it's climate energy job. The deadline to apply is 31st of March. So it's a very good job, and you can earn up to 128,000 US dollar a year. That's what with other benefits. It's a very good job. Anybody can benefit from or be awarded this job as long as you meet the criteria. So let's get down to what are the criteria. First, they will expect you to have either a master or higher degree in business administration, economics, environmental science, engineering, or related fields with additional 2 years professional experience. So if you have, for example, PhD, postdoctorate experience, you can go ahead for these kind of jobs, and apply for in order to sustain yourself. So I always like to check on the criteria when I'm looking out for this type of jobs. And next, I look at the purpose. What are the things you're expected to do if they're up to tasks which I can fulfill? All these things are very important because they will help you in drafting your cover letter, which it is one of the components when you are applying for this particular job, or in writing your essays. Each word is very important. You might be qualified, but if you cannot write all those essays, then you might not be the candidate they are looking for. You should be able to express yourself in writing. Okay, so that is one of the international job which is present right now with the Green Climate Fund, with the deadline 31st of March. So try to go and apply for it as soon as possible. You can apply either through the application which you create an account, or you can apply through LinkedIn. So update your CV with LinkedIn. It's very, very important you consider that. Okay, let's go back and check. You also have that, and you also have other opportunities such as consultancy opportunities, and the deadline is the 28th of March. 28th of March. Usually with consultancy is based on a negotiation with the organization, so they don't put out the salary stipend there or what you acquire, but it's very good. A bachelor's degree, master, then 3 to 5 years relevant working experience is one of the things which they will be looking out for. Also, let's look, they have internships as well for students. Also, they also have very good internship opportunities which last for 6 months. So you should go ahead and apply for it. And looking for candidates which are skills like, you need to have skills like Microsoft Word. You can develop PowerPoints, and all of that, because the intern is usually assumed to be someone with less experience. So you're going there to gain skills. They are not looking for a perfect candidate. As long as you're to graduate from master program in public policy, sustainable development, climate change, and related fields, please go ahead and apply as soon as possible, because this is a life changing. You can also create an alert so that each time they pop up new jobs in these institutions which you are interested in. You can always apply for them anytime. So there are more, like lots and lots of jobs. Let's look at another international job again, which pays up to 204,000 US dollar, which is per year, with other benefits and also movement benefits for your family as well. These are all good opportunities which will really let you settle well in Korea. So if you love this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, click on the notification on the subscription bell, and stay alert.